Will this work on boondocking barbecues and the beach?
Today we're going to look at the Bougie RV portable solar panel 200 watt. And you'll see here that it says that it's IP65 with a 25% high conversion rate. It came in a big box, wrapped in foam, wrapped in bubbles. What I really like about this one here is that it has a heavy duty plastic handle that surrounds the panels themselves, and they're ergonomic, so you can actually fit your fingers in there when you're picking them up. So it's really easy to carry them around while they're protected. It has a zippered bag on the front to go ahead and hold your wired connectors that are attached into the back of the solar panel, and then you're able to go ahead and connect them to whatever you need to use them with. You'll see that it has the standard solar connectors here on the end, and you can connect those to the accompanying solar connectors that attach to any of their Bougie RV devices. They have grommeted ends so that you can go ahead and tie them down with rope or zip ties. They come with a nice quad fold system so that you're able to protect the panels at all times, and then they fold up into an easy package that makes it super easy to carry. And on the inside of the fold, it does have a dual layer Velcro so that it attaches on the bottom with the Velcro, and then you're able to carry it on the top with the handles. Now in the back of the panel, you'll see here that it actually has Velcro connected legs, and they also have a tension strap. So what you're able to do is you're able to pull this out, lean it back so that it gets a proper angle for the sun, and you'll see that each panel has its own legs. So you have 4 total legs for the 200 watt panel. Now setup with this is super easy. You're gonna have your cord and you have your regular connectors. All you have to do is connect your solar connectors, male to female, plug it in like so. So you have your wire ready to go. Your setup is super easy. So you can charge your battery pack. So you can use your solar cable to charge your battery pack. So right here we can go ahead and plug in our solar cable. And then we just deploy our solar, just like this. Quick and easy setup. 20 seconds and it's deployed, ready to go. You just make sure that it's pointing the sun. So we have our solar panel deployed. You can see here, quick and easy plug and play. We're up here, we got our power going. Right now, towards the end of the day, we're cooking 162 watts right now of input. That's inside of our battery bank. Now, if you're doing your boondocking and car camping, you can always use the grommets to go ahead and strap the solar panel to the roof so that you can go ahead and do your car camping with the solar panel up top. You can use the wire grommets to go ahead and attach it to your roof rack, or to be able to connect it with the doors closed. So you open the door, close it over for the zip tie to secure it. Now, if you're doing car camping or boondocking, if you have a bigger vehicle, I got a really tiny vehicle, but if you got a bigger vehicle, especially if you're driving a step van or an RV, you can go ahead and spread these all the way open. Now you see here that I only have 2 of the panels showing, and I do have it powering up right now. So you can have your battery bank being powered with your 200 watt panel, and the larger your windshield is, the more power you can get. You can have it cover your windshield to keep it cooler inside, as well as being able to give you some power as well. So a little bit of passive power while you're keeping your vehicle cooler, especially if you got a big truck, SUV, step van, or camper. The Bougie 200 watt solar panel is definitely gonna work for my needs.